What's up guys, welcome back for another video. Justin here at RCA Garage. Today we're doing a Focus RS. We're installing a Borla catback. It's going to sound pretty sick. We're pretty excited. Right now he has a stock exhaust that has like sport mode and everything, so he can, turn the switch or whatever and it'll open the exhaust up. What this is going to do is this is going to trick the system into thinking that the exhaust is opening or closing, but in reality it's going to be open at all times. So this is the module here. You're going to unplug this, and then once you unplug this, then you can start taking everything off. The easiest way that I've found to do these is to cut the exhaust like right here, and you can take off the axle portion there. There's a hanger on the top here, there's hangers on the back, and then you have like a V-band, like a factory V-band here. So they're going to take that off as well, and then it's going to be replacing from here all the way back. Frankie's here is going to show us how to unplug it. There's a little tab. Push in on the tab, pull out. And then you're going to take off those 3 bolts once we get the exhaust off. And we're going to transfer that over to the new exhaust. We've got the exhaust laid out here. This is going to be for the V-bands. They give you a small section so you're not trying to finesse with that, because those V-bands can be pretty tricky. And this goes to the mid-pipe. Kind of looks a little strange. It has a collector, like a header, but that's what gives you the sound that you're looking for. You go down all the way through here, and then back to the muffler section. This is going to be the pipe that goes over the axle. All the hardware you need. It's going to be a pretty cool exhaust setup. So cut off this section right there. We'll just finesse this out. There's an exhaust hanger there. There's an exhaust hanger there, which are going to be right here in the car and right here in the car. All installed. Got that new piece on there. You already clicked it in, Frankie? Good? Okay. Up and over the axle. This is going to be a piece here. Connects in the back there by the muffler. Connects to this mid-pipe. The mid-pipe connects there. And then you have your factory V-band clamp, this little adapter here. Really nice exhaust. Super clean, super simple. Let's hear how she sounds. So I want to thank Frankie here for helping me out installing the exhaust today for a customer. We have the best pricing in the industry, so hit us up for all of your performance needs. We install all of the parts that you sell online, so contact us, get a quote, and we'll get you taken care of. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.